Hello friends, well thank you so much for clicking on this video once again. Welcome to the February 2021 market update. As you know, it's a really busy real estate market. This last month, February 2021, was 56% busier than the previous month in January. And it seems like every month there's a new benchmark because December 2020 was the busiest month over a 10-year period, and January was the same, February was the same, so every month there's a new benchmark, and it seems to be the case right across the board. But there's a lot more demand in the townhouse market. So if you're moving from a condo into a townhouse, you'll find that you're not getting so much demand on your condo, but when you're going to purchase a townhome, you're going to be in competition. Depending on the area, there's obviously more competition in certain areas than others. So this brings me to a really important point, and I want to just highlight the importance of having a strategy when you're going to purchase a townhouse. And if you're wanting to list a townhouse and you've been thinking about it, it's been in your mind, there has been no better time than now. So right now you are going to get top dollar for your townhouse, and it's that time to sell. In the month of February 2021, there was a 73.3% increase from 2,150 sales recorded in February 2020. So yeah, that's a 56% increase of sales to the month prior in January 2021. Really huge demands. I just want to go through some statistics with you, but before I do, I just want to tell you two stories. I successfully sold a house nearby. We had 10 offers competing for the same house. So in this case, I was representing the listing agent. The price of the property was sharp. It was based on an analysis that I had done on recent sales, and it was sold for 10% above the asking price. This was in the Fraser Valley. And in the townhome purchase, I have been able to secure 2 purchasers with their townhome. And how did we do it? We basically avoided a lot of subjects, but we still added terms. Terms still have value to the buyer, but legally they have less pressure on the seller. And so they were still able to get access to the property for an inspection. They were still able to read the strata minutes, and they were still able to review with the bank that they would get financing. How did I do it? Reach out to me and I'll be happy to go over it with you. And I just want to go through some statistics with you. In Coquitlam, which is where I am, for the detached market, the median sales price has gone up to $1,545,000. So $1.5 million. You have that, you can buy a home, no problem. One of the benefits is that you can get a really good rate with your bank. So when you're getting a rate less than 2%, it really makes sense to try and get into a house with a mortgage rather than renting. If you are in that ability, I encourage you to look at that. The other thing is that I know a lot of people are looking into buying townhomes, which is what I said. There's a lot of pressure in that. But you know what? If you want to get a good deal, shift your focus. Go towards what other people are not looking. Buy the condos that are not selling, and you'll be able to score a good deal when you're shifting your focus into the inventory that nobody else is looking at, right? So buying a condo right now makes sense for the inventory. As we carry on with the Coquitlam market, the attached market being the townhomes, median sales price has gone up to $954,900. In an apartment, only $566,500. So you can see the huge difference. What happens when people realize that they can't afford a townhome? They start going towards the condos. So if you are a condo owner, I suspect that in the next little while, you're gonna see prices increase for condos because people start realizing, you know what, it's way too competitive to get a townhome, so I will buy a condo, and eventually I will upgrade to a townhome. That's a smart move. And for Maple Ridge and Pitt Meadows, yeah, the median sales price is now $1,080,000. So it's hard to get a house even in Maple Ridge right now. Townhomes are up to $635,900. It's kind of close to the Fraser Valley, because in Surrey you're seeing those same prices. So Maple Ridge has gone up considerably. And for apartments, $427,000 for a medium apartment in Maple Ridge. If you want to know more details specifically to the city where you live or where you're thinking of buying, give me a ring or send me a text message at 604-831-7719. I'll be happy to share more data with you.